body type. Goddamn right, I'm so nice. Jesus Christ, I'm better than the hype. I give you life.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Tineké Iman. You know the deal. Okay, so I got some new products over the last, week or so. I just wanted to try it out. So I got the Benefit Gal Bang Mascara, the new Fanny Gloss, the new Fanny Balm. This one, the diamond one. It's called Diamond Milk. Okay, so we got that. And then I got a Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette kit by Sophx, I think. Let's have a look. I saw it and I was like, whoa. I want to try that. So yeah, I got that. So if you want to see my thoughts on them, keep watching. But before that, we're going to stop. Wait a minute. Let me put my 2 cents in it. Okay, no. We're going to stop. And I'm going to wait for you to minimize the video, and press the subscribe button, whether it's in that corner or that corner, but whatever corner, do it. You done it yet? Minimize it and do it now. And then while you're there, thumbs up as well. Do that. Okay, you've had enough time, but come on, guys, let's support. I look at my views and I look at my subscribers and then it just doesn't make sense. So let's make it make sense and you subscribe. Okay? Okay. So yes, let's go on with the video. So I just realised the whole time I was filming, my light wasn't on. But yeah, I remembered now. I primed my face and did my eyebrows off camera. So I'm just going to start with my eyeshadow. So again, it is the Makeup Revolution Sophx kit. Here it is. So I'm going to start as a transition colour. I'm going to use Running Late. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my brush. I really like this colour. It's like an orange, but it's a very subtle orange when you blend it out. So just blending that into my crease. And then I'm going to do a halo eye. So I'm going to use the dark orange, which is Sweet and Sour. And just put that in my inner corner and my outer corner of my lid. So I'm literally just packing it onto the inner corner and out corner of my lid. And leaving the space in the middle to create like a halo eye. And I'm just bringing it out a little bit, just so it wings up a touch. Once I've done my corners, I'm going to get a little bit of concealer. I'm going to put glitter in the middle, so just so it shows up a little bit more. So I need to put some concealer. I'm just going to put it on with my finger. It's literally onto the middle like that. And I'm going to swap brushes and change into like a flat brush. I need to get new brushes because these are just ones I got off of Amazon. I'm going to go into Le Sun. I don't know if you can see. It's this one here. So this is Le Sun. I'm just going to go into that. If you see me looking all over the place, I'm looking in my mirror behind me so I can see my reflection, so I know what I'm doing. Okay, so yeah, I'm looking into Le Sun. Literally just pack it on the middle. And that's kind of the outline of the eyeshadow. So now all you have to do now is blend it all together so it just looks nice and smooth. So go back to my first brush, which I use for the other orange colours, and go back into Sweet and Sour, but lightly this time, not so much, and then sort of just brush that over the gold. Just brush it over just so it makes more of a transition. I really like this palette. It's actually my first one I have with lot of colours. It's got a lot of colours on it. So you kind of go for, you can go for an everyday look, just nice and matte, but then it's got the nice yellows, the golds, the reds, the greens. It's kind of, I really want to use this blue one. I don't know what look yet, but I really want to use it. It's just, let me try to swatch it. Don't know if you can see that. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I really want to use it. I want to find something for it. So once I've gone in with the corners, I'm just going to get my flat brush again and just make sure the gold is still visible. And then I'm going to go back in with Running Late, so the first transition colour, and just go over the top of it, just to blend out the top again. And again, just bringing it up, so if you have a look, it goes into, and now I've got more eyeshadow, which I wasn't supposed to do. This is why the eyeshadow before your foundation, so all these you can just cover up. And that's kind of it. So later I'm going to put lashes on and it will just put it all together. And I'm going to go on to the second eye now. So I'm going to an engagement party soon, but I'm running just a little bit late. So I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera, but then I'll come back for my highlight and my gloss and my lips and all that. But I'm just going to show you, I'm using the Too Faced foundation by Jackie Aina. I'm in the Caramel Butter Pecan. So yeah, this is by Jackie. Well, by Too Faced, but Jackie helped expand the range for all different complexions. So I'm in Butter Pecan. I really like this. It's hard for me, like I've never found my foundation colour, so I really feel like this is one of them. So yeah, I'll come back when the rest of my face is done. Okay, so I had to take my phone out to answer a message, and now I'm not sure if it's in the right position, but anywho, so I've put my lashes and everything on. So I've got my mascara. I'm just gonna put it underneath. I'm really late, you know, so if my phone vibrates, that's my girl texting me saying, where is you? Just gonna put up my bottom lashes. What I forgot to do, what I did on my other eye, is I got the same sweet and sour orange and just put it in my waterline. Because my lashes are quite curly, I need like a thin brush, so I really like this brush. My favourite brush used to be when Rihanna had her MAC line, Rihanna's mascara. That was my favourite. Like, I'm really upset they've stopped it now because that was my favourite mascara ever. As it's a year since Fenty Beauty, we're going to go with a Trophy Wife Big Fan brush. Just gonna very lightly, because Trophy Wife is very pigmented, like it can come out yellow. So I'm just literally dabbing it on, just very slightly. I'm going to put a little bit on my nose. And then I'm going to go and put some in the corner of my eyes. Basically it. I'm going to go get ready and then put my lips on. Got ready, got my clothes on, blah, blah, blah. So what I'm going to do, see, I always say so, like it's actually really annoying. Anyway. For my lips, I'm going to use this NYX or NYX, however you want to say it, lip liner, Cocoa. Just going to use that and line my lips. So this thing starts at 5. Well, starting at 5. It's 6:30. It takes me an hour to get there. Bear in mind traffic, you know, hour and a half. Yeah. And then we're gonna use the Fanny Diamond Milk see how it is. So it's the same formula as the Gloss Bomb, if you have that one. And it's literally but just a see-through version. So that's what it looks like. And I like it because the other one is when I need that extra nude, because it has a tint of pink in it. It gives that the next door neighbour. That gives like a little extra nude to it, but this is just clear, so it's a phone call. But okay, yeah. So I like it because it doesn't have like the pink in it, so it's just like it stays the colour of the lip liner that you intended, if you kind of get what I mean. Like, it doesn't change it. So this is the look. This is the look I'm going for. You know, a little bit of a sunset, a little bit of that, a little bit of a rasta, you know. Yeah, not rasta. I'm not a rasta, I apologise. So yeah, I used the Makeup Revolution Sophx X palette, the new Fenty Gloss Bomb Diamond Milk, and then my Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. I like. Oh, can you hear my next door neighbours, or is it just me? I really like them all three of them. Yeah, the Makeup Revolution had me shook. Like, it really had me shook. Like, I really like all the colours, and I intend to use all of them. Because you know you'll get because you know you get eyeshadow palettes and you just use like some of them, or like half of it, or like a quarter, you know. But I really want to use the whole palette, so that's good. That means it's worth my coin. I think it was £8. No, I'm not gonna say £8. 14? I don't know, under £15. That's all I know. It was under £15, so that was quite good. This was 16, if I'm correct. £16, I think. And the Bad Girl Bang mascara is 21, around that area, £21. Okay, but I really like, when I get mascaras, I really have to look for them, because the normal chunky brushes, yeah, I can't do. Your girl can't do that, because it just gets everywhere. You know, I'm getting much better with my eyeshadow. If you see from my previous ones, now I put eyelashes on. You know, I'm just getting there. But I have to do that off camera because I'm not that great at it. You know, it takes me a little while. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. All of that. Remember, I told you how to subscribe. So let's, you know, make the subscribers match the views. Okay, let's make them make sense. And support your girl. Anyway. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll leave my next video right there, and subscribe right there. Peace.